First, we try to learn how to draw a structure in ETABS. Look at the frame. Consider a 3-story frame. Height of the first floor is 2 meters. Height of the second or third floor is 3 meters. Distance between the column in the x-axis direction is 5 meters. We have 2 points in the x direction. Also, we have a point in the direction of the y. Select any option in the menu. The film window opens. Select the third option. The fourth program is according to US standard. Click the OK button. New model template form is open. In grade dimension, number of grade line in x direction changed to the 2. Number of grade line in y direction changed to the 1. Spacing grade in x direction changed to the 5. For y direction, no need to do anything. In a story dimension, number of a story changed to the 3. Typical story height just remain 3, and bottom story height changed to 2.8. After that, select grade only option in a structural object. We change the white background of the program to black background. In the option menu, select the color option. Just exchange black background to white background. By choosing Add New Window, we have 3 windows. We set first window on plan. Set second window to elevation. You see the face of structure. Set third window to 3D. Thank you for watching.